All right, 71 through 76. Usually not too difficult. We just have to use our periodic table and really combine all the knowledge that we've learned all year to help us with these clues. All right, so the first one, excuse me, the first one says a solid non-metallic element. All right, so far all we know is it's a non-metal that's a solid. Let's look through here real quick. All right, non-metals that are not solids. Read that one more time, make sure I get it right. Solid non-metallic element. All right, it is a solid, I'm sorry. All right, so it's a non-metal, which means it's over on this right side. It's solid, so that eliminates anything in this family. The majority of this family, then oxygen and nitrogen. So we're looking kind of right through here. So far we've eliminated at least 90% of the periodic table. Let's continue to read. All right, it forms oxides of NO2. All right, so now we're going to look at our periodic table, find which family has MO2. All right, that's this family 4. All right, so if I look at family 4, there's actually only one non-metal in that entire family, and that is carbon. Remember, silicon is a transition metal, and then everything under there is a metal. I guess germanium is a transition metal also. But carbon is the only non-metal. It is solid, so that should be able to answer our question right there. If I looked, it reacts with chlorine to make MCl4. That would also work. A melting point of 3,500 degrees Celsius. If you look on carbon, on the one that you've colored, you should have an MP to show that it has one of the highest melting points, or the highest melting point. All right, so we found number 71, carbon. All right, let's just randomly look over here at 75. Blue-white, flaky metal. All right, so this is odd. It's blue-white instead of shiny, but it's a metal. All right, so primarily we know the metals are going to be here over. All right, it forms oxides of M2O3 or M2O5. Right, so this I can use to find the family. And then period 5, I can find the row. So really, these two together will tell me exactly what I need. So if I look at the periodic table, M2O3 or M2O5 is this family 5 right here. It's a metal. It's in the 5th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I go over, I find that in family 5, row 5, I have antimony or Sb. Okay, so each one of those you just use the clues and the combination of your periodic table and your knowledge to figure out what they're talking about. All right, good luck.